Welcome to Duolingo. Meet Duo, your language learning companion. With Duolingo, you can explore the world through language. Learning a new language has never been easier or more fun. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to improve your language skills, Duolingo is here to guide you every step of the way. Our interactive and gamified lessons make learning enjoyable and engaging. Welcome to the Complete Beginner's Guide to using the Duolingo app. In just 3 minutes, we'll show you how to get started on your language learning journey. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the Duolingo app from the App Store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Step 2. Open the app and click on Get Started if you're new, or choose I already have an account. Step 3. Choose the language you want to learn. Duolingo offers a wide range of languages, so pick the one that excites you. Step 4. Select your proficiency level. If you're a complete beginner, no worries, just choose I am new. After that, the app will ask, why are you learning this language? Select your desired option and click Continue to proceed. Next, you can see the achievements page, where you can see what you can achieve after learning. Now the app will ask, what's your daily learning goal? Simply answer the question and click Continue. Next, allow Duolingo to send you notifications. Here, choose your desired option, whether you are learning this language for the first time or you already know this. Step 5. Let's start your first lesson. Duolingo uses gamified lessons to make learning fun and engaging. Step 6. Pay attention to the different exercises. You'll have to match words, translate sentences, and even practice speaking. Step 7. Earn rewards and points for completing lessons. These points will help you level up and track your progress. Step 8. Take advantage of Duolingo podcasts for more immersive listening practice. It's a great way to improve your understanding of the language. Step 9. Consider upgrading to Duolingo Plus for an ad-free experience and offline access to lessons. Step 10. Regularly check your progress on the profile section. Celebrate your achievements. Congratulations! You've completed the Duolingo app Beginner's Guide. Now it's time to embark on your language learning adventure. Happy learning with Duolingo! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more useful guides.